Hi everyone, AI4QT. Well, this evening I want to demonstrate that it is possible to check in to 80-meter phone nets using QRP power. In this case, I'm using a Yaesu FT-817ND. This radio has been around for a long time. In fact, it's replaced with the FT-818 currently, but it's still a good radio. And so what I will be doing will be checking into three 80-meter phone nets. The first net will be the Alabama phone net on 3.965, and then I go up to the Georgia single sideband net at 3.975, and then lastly the Tennessee phone net, and by that time it will be dark out here, on 3.980. The antenna that I'm using is just a in-fed antenna, and it works pretty well. The secret, of course, for QRP operations is a good radio, a grounding situation where you can ground the radio, and that's it. The weather's cooperating this evening. It's fall. Temperatures are still pleasant. The leaves, a lot of leaves have fallen, but we are not at peak yet. But again, as I said the last time, fall is the best time of year for radio work as far as I'm concerned. So let's go ahead and check into the Alabama phone net on 3.965. Please check in Alpha India 4, Quebec Tango. So there you have it. I checked into the Alabama phone net on 3.965. The net control station had no difficulty hearing me with 5 watts. And next stop is the Georgia single sideband net. Roger, AI4QT. All right, 2 down, 1 more to go. That was the Georgia single sideband net, and now let's wait for the Tennessee phone net. And like I say, it's getting darker out here. Okay, I'm about to check into the last net of the evening here. It is now officially dark. As mentioned earlier, it would be dark by the time I checked into the Tennessee phone net. And now I will see if Sky can check me into the net. Earlier, the net became quite long, and I wasn't sure I would be able to check in with the QRP 5-watt power, but I think I will be able to. Conditions seem to have improved a little bit. So anyway, let's see if we can check into this last net here, the Tennessee phone net. Alpha India 4, Quebec Tango. Okay, there you go. I was able to check into 3 phone nets on 80 meters this evening. Alabama phone net, Georgia single sideband net, the Tennessee phone net. The net control stations had no problem copying me as I checked in with that QRP power of 5 watts and the Yaesu FT-817. So I tell you what, it can be done using QRP power. Till next time, this is AI4QT 73.